and my CUT score was 799.
जो कि मैं रिकमेंड नहीं करूँगा कि कोई भी लेना, बहुत ही बुरी है.
Is there any channel for science subject specifically that you have used in your time and any books? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Arvind and I am back with another video which will be asking make a video on CUT score, asking CUT score in Hindu college from science, this. So here is the another video. This is the part 2 of asking CUT score in Hindu college. So let's roam around the campus again with my friend and cameraman Dakshita. So let's go and ask you CUT score. Wait, वीडियो को आगे देखने से पहले सब्सक्राइब करके आओ. So hello guys.
Hi.
So what is your name, department and your CUT score?
Okay, my name is Mohan Singh. I'm from mathematics department and my CUT score was 630 out of 800.
Okay, great. So what about you?
My name is Agrima. I'm from history department. My score was 750 something.
So you both are first years. So like it's been 6 to 7 months in Hindu college. So how is your experience at Hindu college?
Nice vibe. I just love it.
Okay.
Yeah, it was great. We have different societies and the college is obviously fun. So yeah, it's great.
And friends also.
Oh, great. So what resources you have used in your time that you would like to recommend to our audience?
For humanities, self-study is enough.
Like any publication or YouTube channel you would like to recommend?
Yeah, YouTube channel. There were tons of YouTube channels. An Academy, Humanities करके भी है, and yeah, quite a few. Digraj sir for political science and geography.
Yeah. What about you?
I'm from the science background, so I have referred to like NCRTs only. So NCRT is more than enough, and you can solve the exercise at the back. And if you want to practice questions, so there are a lot of YouTube channels for that. I've preferred PW for that.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Hi.
Hello,
So what is your name, department and course?
my name is Neha and I'm from History Honors Second.
What was your CUT score?
My CUT score was 780 out of 800.
Great. In which year are you studying?
I'm studying in second year.
So how is Hindu so far? Like it's been 2 years you are in this college, and how are you liking Hindu?
This college is really very vibrant and very zarring, and I feel that it is the most diverse or unique college in all over DU.
Yeah, I agree to this point. So what advice would you give to your juniors, those who are coming for CUT 2025?
So I would like to advise that test should be your priority, like mock test should be given as much as you can, and NCRTs are basic fundamentals, and just try to be accurate and be precise on your answers, and just give tests.
Also, did you go for any resources, particular resources? Where did you practice your mocks from?
I had practiced from Kiran publications that provide humanities domains.
Okay. Is this the name of channel or any book?
Yeah, Kiran publications books it is.
So guys, note that. Thank you so much. So hello Bhaiya.
Hello.
Hi.
So what is your name, department and what was your CUT score?
My name is Prakamesh Shukla. I'm from English department and my CUT score was 799.
Wow.
I am Anand and my course is BA Economics Honors and I scored in 70-80s.
Okay. Was it actually 799? Okay, that's great. So how is Hindu so far? Like you have been in this college for 2 years. So how is this college? कैसा लग रहा है?
Experience is amazing actually. मतलब expectation से जो रहता है वो तो थोड़ा कम है, लेकिन फिर भी I would say कि अच्छा है experience, और top level colleges में है, international students और कई सारे states के students से मिलने का, interaction करने का मौका मिलता है, teachers भी अच्छे हैं, तो अच्छा experience रहा है मेरा तो.
What about you?
मज़ा आ रहा है बस भाई.
So what one advice that you would like to give to juniors, those who are coming for CUT and apply like जो exam देंगे अभी CUT 2025 का, so what your advice would be to them?
टेस्ट में एक्चुअली मेरे से कुछ बच्चों ने पूछा भी है जो इस बार CUT दे रहे हैं, तो मैंने उनको यही बोला कि मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि हम रिवीजन करें जो भी अपना मतलब कोर्स वगैरह है. तो मैंने भी कम से कम 10 बार लगभग रिवीजन कर लिया था, तो जो कंटेंट है उसका बार बार रिवीजन करेंगे तो वो अच्छे से याद हो जाएगा और बहुत ईजी रहेगा. फिर CUT कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है CUT एग्ज़ाम.
आप रिवीजन, लिटरली रिवीजन और बैठ के सिटिंग्स, काफ़ी देर तक बैठ के सिटिंग्स देनी पड़ती है.
Also, did you go for any resources like other than CUT? Sorry, NCRT.
हाँ CUET अड्डा पे मतलब जो उनकी वीडियोस आती थी कुछ रेगुलर क्वेश्चंस वगैरह करवाने की, तो वो मैंने लिया था। और आई गेस मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस की बुक ली थी, मतलब कुछ प्रीवियस कुछ सैम्पल क्वेश्चन एयर टाइप के, तो मैंने उनसे हेल्प लिया था बस।
Like, do you remember the name of the book that you have used?
नेम तो याद नहीं है, बस मेरे को ये याद है CUET अड्डा की जो वीडियोस थी वो काफ़ी अच्छी थी, तो आप उनको भी रेफ़र कर सकते हो बहुत अच्छे से।
What about you?
कोई रेफरेंस नहीं, कुछ नहीं, जितना पढ़ा खुद से ही पढ़ लिया।
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So, hello, bhaiya.
हेलो।
So, coming in the video again. How are you, bhaiya? And what is your CUET score, your name, and your department in your year?
I am doing good. I'm in my second year right now, and मेरा CUET score, raw score was 782 out of 800. Normalized was 768, and department is economics.
So, like, it's been like quite a time you are in Hindu. So, how is your experience in Hindu? Like, what different things you have experienced that you would like to tell to our audience?
यार ऑनेस्टली मेरा तो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट कॉलेज आकर के ही हुआ है. बिफोर कॉलेज आई वाज ऑनेस्टली नथिंग, बट आफ्टर कमिंग टू कॉलेज इट वाज जेन्युइनली अ स्विच फ्रॉम लाइक स्कूल टू कॉलेज वाज अ स्विच फ्रॉम अ pond to an ocean, like quite literally. So be it soft skills, be it technical skills, everything, like Hindu has taught me a lot. And yep, the diversity aspect I love about Hindu.
So, like, any CUET advice that you would like to give to audience जो अभी आ रहे हैं CUET 2025, अब CBT हो गया है दोबारा. So, like, what key areas they should focus on, or any resources that you have used?
Yeah, during my time, since my CUET was a couple of years back, so I primarily focused on NCERT only, because that was the most important thing to focus at that time. Abhi ka, I think it will be the same, like the number of questions वगैरह उन्होंने change किए हैं शायद, but yeah, the foundation would be the same, NCERT ही होगा. So मेरा पहला like recommendation सबके लिए यही रहेगा कि purely focus on NCERT. See, I was from a commerce side, so हमने accounts में and economics में ज़्यादा NCERT यूज़ नहीं करी थी. So जैसे ही boards हमारे ख़त्म हुए थे, I had to focus on like दोनों के NCERTs वाला portion. And similarly, I don't think if there are any deleted syllabus right now, like जो boards में नहीं था but CUET में है, but still if there are any, try to wrap them up as soon as possible. And regarding resources, तो I mostly used like Telegram पे available PDFs वगैरह, but अगर if I had to say a channel, I think it would be CUET Adda 247. This was one of them. And second, I used सुनील पांडा सर, कॉमर्स वाले बच्चे जानते ही होंगे, उनके मॉक्स मैंने यूज़ किए थे फॉर अकाउंट्स BST and ECO. सो दे वर रियली गुड. अकाउंट्स के तो जेन्युइनली कुछ क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आए थे मेरे. आई डोंट नो अब सर निकालते होंगे या नहीं मॉक्स, बट या दे वर क्वाइट हेल्पफुल.
Thank you so much for your time. So, hello.
Hello.
So, what is your name, department, and course? Which year are you studying in?
Hello, I'm Sahasra. I'm from the English department and I'm in first year right now.
Okay, great. So, what was the CUET score?
770.
Oh, nice. So, how is Hindu so far?
I really like it. I think it's a very welcoming place and there's a lot to do for everyone here. So, yeah.
Yeah. So, considering the students who are giving CUET this year, so what advice would you give to them other than reading NCERTs, or did you go for any resources other than CUET?
I think just one MCQ book is more than enough. Just a couple of like 2 marks enough. You really don't need more than that. Yeah.
Any specific resources or name of the channels or books?
No, you don't. You really don't need any YouTube videos. Just read your books, read your NCERT books, and do some mocks. That's really all you need.
Thank you so much. So, hello Dee.
Hi,
So, what is your name, department, and course? CUET score?
I am Shruti from Physics Department of Hindu College. My CUET score was around 525 on 600.
Okay, which year are you studying in?
I'm currently in second year.
Okay, great. So, how is Hindu so far? Like, it's been 2 years you are in this college, and what was your experience in Hindu?
It's been great. It's been really great, the amount of facilities that we have in terms of research, infrastructure. It's really great compared to any other college in DU.
Okay, thank you so much. And also, what advice or resources that you have used in your time that you would like to recommend to our audience at this time, because they are preparing for CUET 2025 and aiming for colleges like Hindu, Stephens, and SRCC?
In terms of books, I would recommend NCERT. NCERT is more than sufficient for CUET exam. And the only advice that I would give is be consistent. Consistency is really the key to everything.
Is there any channel for science subject specifically that you have used in your time, and any books from any publications?
I personally took a coaching from Career Launcher for CUET, but then specifically for subjects of GT and English के लिए I took the coaching. But my core subjects physics, chemistry and maths मैंने खुद से ही prepare किया था using NCERT, and at Max I used YouTube channel Unacademy का.
Okay, thank you so much Steve for your
हेलो भाई, क्या हाल है?
बढ़िया. So आप what's your name, department, course and what was your CUET score and in which year are you studying in?
So I am Shivam Chaparwal, first year economics honors at Hindu College, and my CUET score was 748.
Okay, great. So how is Hindu so far? Like it's been 6 to 7 months in this college, and how are you liking Hindu?
I think Hindu is itself a great experience. The amount of diversity you see in the college, the amount of societies, cultural as well as professional, this is something that you cannot find in any other college throughout the whole of nation.
I agree to this fact. So what advice would you give to your juniors that are coming for CUET 2025? So also what resources you used when you were preparing for your CUET?
So like you do not need a lot of resources to do CUET. You just need to first get thorough with your NCERT because questions will come from directly from line, and this time you can't leave any question. So you just need to firstly get thorough with your NCERT, and then you also need to practice as many mocks as possible because you don't know in the D-Day how good are you in OMR filling. So that is my advice for this.
So any specific resources or publications that you have used?
So I just used general TS Grewal for accounts and the NCERT for business studies and economics, and English I did from a book known as Wren and Martin. It's a really good book. If you have time to read, just give it a read for all.
Guys, note the resources. Thank you so much. By the way, he's my classmate. Thank you. So hello guys.
Hello,
Hi.
So tell me your name, CUET score and your course and your year.
I'm Vansh Gehlot from BA Honors Economics first year, and my score with mathematics was 739 and without mathematics it was 782.
Okay, great.
I'm Anshuman Singh, physics honors first year. My score was 447 out of 600. That's it.
Okay, great. So it's been like 6 to 7 months in Hindu. So how is your experience in Hindu?
काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. ये डाइवर्स क्राउड है यहाँ पे, सोसाइटी का एक्सपोजर बहुत अच्छे से मिलता है. नई नई चीज़ें ट्राई करने को मिलती है जो कि कभी हमने अपने स्कूल लाइफ में ट्राई नहीं की थी. तो ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है.
So what about you?
भाई सेम टू सेम, बट या लाइक थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर है मेरा पहले से, और इट्स हैज़ बीन अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस विद फ्रेंड्स, people I have met, and बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से लोग हैं, तो it's like you inculcate values from different cultures, so it is excellent.
So great guys. So like those who are preparing for CUET, so this video is for them only. So what advice would you give to them, and also what resources you have used in your time that you would like to recommend? Any channels or any publications, books?
रिसोर्सेज में तो देखो मेनली मॉक टेस्ट एंड PYQs प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से कर लेना. एंड क्योंकि दिस ईयर्स CBT मोड में है, सो ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस मॉक टेस्ट ऑन ऑनलाइन मोड, सो इट विल बेनिफिट यू. हमारा OMR पे था तो हमारा इतना कुछ इशू नहीं था, एंड तुम्हारे इनके वो भी कम हो गए ना, चॉइस नहीं मिलती है. क्वेश्चन 50 के 50 अटैम्प्ट करना है, तो उसके हिसाब से पूरी तैयारी करना कि लास्ट में जाके एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे वो ऐसे पुराने पेपर्स ट्राई मत करना. जो नए मॉक टेस्ट है ना, नए पैटर्न के हिसाब से उसी के अकॉर्डिंग ट्राई करना पूरा.
और कोई रिसोर्सेज जो आपने यूज़ किए थे, यूट्यूब चैनल और कोई सा?
मैंने मेनली CL की कोचिंग ली थी, जो कि मैं रिकमेंड नहीं करूँगा कि कोई भी लेना, बहुत ही बुरी है. एंड ये एक डाल देना, इसका एक्चुअली स्कैम है. जो पैसा है बिल्कुल वर्थ इट नहीं है, सो डोंट गो फॉर दैट. अनदर थिंग इज़ प्रेप के मॉक्स, वो CBT मोड में है. मेरा एक्चुअली एक दोस्त है जिसने ड्रॉप लिया है, वो प्रेप के मॉक्स यूज़ कर रहा है. मैंने उसमें देखे भी हैं मॉक्स, काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी के, और CBT मोड में भी है, तो वो ज़रूर देख सकते हो.
सो या आई ऑल्सो अग्री विद द प्रेप थिंग, एंड द सजेशन वुड बी कि देखो होता क्या है कि तुम्हें बस 12th का पता होना चाहिए. पेपर वगैरह हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी पेपर नहीं आता है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा चिल आउट करें.
And also you had science, like science is pretty difficult, that everybody says. So like any specific things that you would focus on?
See, in my condition it was like I was preparing for IIT, it did not go well, so yeah, इसलिए नहीं हुआ था. तो मेरी साइंस रेडी थी. प्रॉब्लम जनरली जो साइंस के लिए आती है, कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी नहीं होती है, तो जनरल यूट्यूब वन शॉट से बहुत आराम से समझ में आता है पेपर कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है. तो इट इज़ जब 1 महीना प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो ना, तो ये नहीं करना होता कि कंसेप्ट समझो, ये करना होता पेपर के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करो. तो पेपर के लिए तैयार करना इज़ नॉट अबाउट कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी, इट्स अबाउट कि क्या आ रहा है उसको कैसे सॉर्ट कर रहे हो. तो लर्न हाउ टू सॉर्ट, डू नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन थिंग्स जो तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हें नहीं पता, तुम श्योर नहीं हो, कन्फ्यूज हो, इसलिए इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. सो दिस इज़ नॉट अ वे टू प्रोग्रेस, या तुम्हें आगे नहीं बढ़ने को मिलेगा. आराम से करो, आराम से हो जाएगा, बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा.
Thank you so much. So guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I have asked from science background as well, and please note the resources that they have told you in the video. And also, if you have any queries, please do let me know in the comment section below, and do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. And बस अब कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा. I'll put everything in the description below. So thank you, bye bye.